Come with some students from Sands School to, I guess, talk to some students from mainstream schools to see what they think is not good in the schools and what's not working and what they'd like to see more of. In the group I was talking to, the biggest one was bullying. They feel that in a lot of schools around here and just all around the country really, Wales and England, it's a massive problem. And also, lack of being able to express yourself, and people feel like they're pretending to be someone else. I'm quite into politics and stuff like that and read a lot about it, and I think for me, like how Sands works, because it's completely democratic, so every decision is made by the students and the teachers together. And I think for me, as far as the running of a school, I think that's kind of the ideal thing, where everyone's kind of allowed, we've got no uniform, everyone's allowed to be free, and we still learn, but there's no unfair decisions made because it's all together. So I think as far as the ideal school in like a very bare bones way, I think for me, how Sands is like democratic. The main model bigger schools should be following at the very least is, getting rid of this whole like thing of caring about results more than people, because ultimately most schools today I feel are prioritizing the money they get from the good results and the numbers than they are the students, and people forget that students are real people and we should be cared about and we have voices that need to be heard.